Effective time management stands as a cornerstone of successful leadership. With Vistage, leaders are equipped with the strategies and insight needed to master this crucial skill. Through our expert-led workshops, peer advisory groups, and one-to-one coaching, members learn to prioritize their task, delegate effectively, and set boundaries that protect their time for strategic thinking and personal growth. Vistage offers a unique blend of accountability and support, helping leaders to not only plan their time more efficiently, but also to align their daily actions with their long-term business goals. This holistic approach ensures that leaders can manage their time in a way that drives productivity, fosters innovation, and enhances work-life balance. Transform the way you manage your time and lead your business to success with Vistage. Embrace the opportunity to join a community of leaders who share your ambition, supported by guidance that speaks directly to the challenges you face. Start your journey towards exceptional time management and leadership excellence today. Reach out to me now and take the first step towards a more organized, productive, and fulfilling leadership experience.